The Mahindra OJA 2124 mini tractor is a compact powerhouse designed to meet the needs of small to medium-scale farmers. With its smart engineering and robust performance, it's tailored for a range of agricultural tasks, especially in orchards, vineyards, and tight field conditions where maneuverability is essential. At the heart of this machine is a 24 HP engine, delivering reliable power while maintaining fuel efficiency, perfect for farmers looking to balance performance and operational costs. This tractor comes equipped with a 3-cylinder engine, ensuring smooth operation and lower vibrations, which not only enhances comfort during long working hours but also contributes to the overall longevity of the machine. Its liquid-cooled technology helps keep engine temperatures in check during extended usage, ensuring consistent performance in varying conditions. One of the standout features of the Mahindra OJA 2124 is its advanced 4WD system. This gives it exceptional traction on uneven or slippery terrain, which is particularly useful for hilly regions or during wet seasons. The tractor also comes with a synchromesh transmission, which allows for smoother gear shifts, reducing operator fatigue and enhancing productivity. It supports 12 forward and 12 reverse gears, offering greater flexibility for different kinds of farm operations. Design-wise, the OJA 2124 is both functional and stylish. It has a modern, aerodynamic body with clean lines and a compact frame, making it ideal for working in confined spaces. The ergonomically designed operator station includes a comfortable seat, easy-to-reach controls, and a digital instrument cluster that keeps all essential information right in front of the driver. Another strong point is its hydraulics. The tractor has a high lifting capacity of up to 950 kilograms, which is impressive for its category. This means it can handle heavier implements like small plows, cultivators, and sprayers with ease. The OJA 2124 also supports Category 1 and 2 implements, increasing its versatility for various farm needs. Mahindra's commitment to innovation is evident in the OJA range, which includes smart features like optional telematics for tracking and diagnostics, making maintenance more predictable and less costly over time. Its compact size, coupled with the muscle to get serious work done, gives it a unique position in the mini tractor segment. To sum up, the Mahindra OJA 2124 mini tractor offers a perfect blend of power, agility, and smart design. It's engineered for productivity without compromising on comfort or efficiency, making it an excellent choice for modern farmers looking for a reliable, all-round performer in a compact package.